Hey everyone, this is Akash here and you're watching Tech Infinity. So I recently bought the Nokia 8.1 because I was getting a good deal on this smartphone. Well, I checked the software update center today and I got the Android 10 upgrade. So in this video I'm going to show you what new features come with this Android 10 upgrade. So this will basically be a small video talking about the new features, and I haven't really used this particular Android 10 version for very long on Nokia 8.1. So the full review about how the battery life changes, how the gaming performance changes, and how the picture quality changes, all these things I will be talking about later on in another video. So do subscribe to my channel if you want to see that one. So as you can see here, this is the Android version 10, and you have the September security patch level. So that's nice to see. Now these are the quick settings. As you can see, here are the options that are available here. Now Android 10 is now using something called the, what do I call it, the scoped storage. So not all apps support it currently, but slowly and steadily a lot of apps are getting Android 10 support. So let's see what's under system. You have a few gestures here. Some of these features were already there on Android Pie, so these are some nice features to have. And you even have the gesture navigation here, so that's great to see. So let me just quickly turn that on, and as you can see here, these are the Android Q gestures, and these are just amazing. So you can swipe from left or right to go back or forward, and you can swipe here to go to the home, and you can swipe from the sides like corners